Did you know that men's brains react differently to love than women's? It's true. Science shows that the way men fall in love is a fascinating blend of biology, psychology, and personal experience. Let's explore the hidden journey that most men won't openly talk about. Love is universal, but the way men and women experience it is far from identical. Understanding how men fall in love can change how you approach relationships, making them deeper, healthier, and more fulfilling. In today's video, we're diving deep into the step-by-step process of how men fall in love, what triggers their emotions, the stages they go through, and the secrets to fostering a meaningful connection. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have insights that can completely transform the way you understand love and relationships. Number 1. The spark of attraction. Men fall in love differently from women, and it all starts with the spark of attraction. For many men, this stage is highly visual and instinctive, but don't mistake attraction for superficiality. It's not just about appearance, it's about how someone carries themselves, their confidence, and the energy they bring into a space. Think about it. When a man first notices someone, it's usually because something stands out. Maybe it's the way she laughs, the way she lights up a room, or even a shared glance that feels electric. This spark is like a door opening, inviting curiosity. Men often take this moment to observe. What does this person value? How does she interact with others? Attraction is the starting point, but it's not the whole story. It's the invitation to step closer and explore something deeper. Number 2. Building connection. Once that initial spark is ignited, the next step is building connection. This is where men start to notice more than just the surface. They're drawn to shared interests, conversations that flow naturally, and moments where the other person feels like a safe space. For example, imagine two people bonding over a shared passion. Maybe they both love music or have a similar sense of humor. These connections are like threads that weave a deeper bond. Men fall in love when they feel understood, appreciated, and respected. But here's the catch. Many men might not openly admit they're seeking emotional connection. It might show up subtly, like texting more often, wanting to spend time together, or sharing personal stories. These small steps are their way of testing, can I trust this person? Can I be myself here? Number 3. Emotional vulnerability. This is a pivotal stage. For many men, falling in love truly begins when they feel safe enough to be emotionally vulnerable. Society often teaches men to suppress their feelings, to be strong and independent, but love challenges that. It creates a space where they can let their guard down. For example, a man might share a fear or insecurity he's never talked about before. It could be about his career, his family, or even something as simple as his struggles with self-doubt. When his vulnerability is met with empathy and support, it deepens his feelings of love. He starts to associate this person with safety and acceptance, which is incredibly powerful. This stage isn't about grand romantic gestures. It's about the quiet moments when two people share their authentic selves. That's when love begins to feel real. Number 4. The decision to commit. Here's something that's often overlooked. Men don't just fall in love, they actively choose to commit. Falling in love may be emotional, but committing to someone is where logic and emotion meet. At this stage, men ask themselves significant questions. Can I see a future with this person? Are we aligned in our goals and values? Does this relationship bring out the best version of me? Commitment involves a deeper level of reflection. Men often evaluate not just how much they love someone, but also how compatible they are in the long run. This might include shared dreams, how they handle conflicts together, and even how well they support each other's growth. For example, a man might think back on moments where his partner stood by him during challenges or celebrated his wins. It's not always about grand gestures, it's about consistency, trust, and a sense of partnership. Commitment is a conscious choice to prioritize someone and invest in that love every day. It's a pivotal moment where emotions evolve into action and intention. Number 5. Keeping love alive. Falling in love is magical, but keeping that love alive requires effort and intention. For many men, maintaining a loving relationship depends on feeling valued, respected, and supported over time. Love isn't static, it's dynamic, and it grows stronger when nurtured consistently. Men thrive in relationships where appreciation is regularly expressed. It doesn't have to be elaborate. A simple thank you, acknowledging their efforts, or a small act of kindness can mean everything. These moments reinforce the connection and remind them why they fell in love in the first place. Respect is equally vital. It's about understanding their perspective, supporting their ambitions, and standing by them even when life gets tough. It's not about agreeing all the time. It's about creating a safe space where both people can express themselves without fear of judgment. Additionally, love flourishes in partnerships where growth is encouraged. Couples who communicate openly, celebrate their wins together, and face challenges as a team build a foundation that stands the test of time. Ultimately, keeping love alive is about showing up, not just when it's convenient, but even when it's difficult. Men fall deeper in love when they see that their partner is equally committed to growing the relationship and weathering life's storms together. Number 6. The role of respect and admiration. Respect and admiration are critical components of how men fall and stay in love. Men are naturally drawn to partners who appreciate their qualities, support their efforts, and recognize their potential. Respect goes beyond superficial admiration. It's about valuing their principles, understanding their boundaries, and encouraging their growth. For example, when a partner acknowledges a man's hard work or his ability to navigate challenges, it strengthens his emotional connection to that relationship. Admiration fuels a man's confidence, making him feel not only loved, but deeply valued. This also works both ways. Men often fall deeper in love when they admire their partner's character, intelligence, and ability to handle life's complexities. A relationship built on mutual respect becomes a foundation for long-lasting love because both people feel uplifted and appreciated. Number 7. The power of shared experiences. Shared experiences are the glue that binds a relationship. Men often fall in love through the time they spend creating memories with their partner. These shared moments, whether it's something as big as traveling together or as simple as cooking a meal, become meaningful milestones in the relationship. For instance, going through challenges as a team or celebrating small wins together creates a bond that deepens love. These experiences help men associate their partner with happiness, safety, and a sense of belonging. Additionally, shared activities build a rhythm of togetherness. When two people consistently engage in things they enjoy together, they create a strong emotional connection. Over time, these moments become the bedrock of trust and intimacy, making the love feel unshakable. The more memories a couple creates, the stronger their bond becomes, solidifying their place in each other's hearts. Life and love can be complex, but understanding the way we connect with others is one of the most rewarding journeys we can take. Remember, love isn't just about the sparks at the beginning, it's about the effort, respect, and shared growth that keeps the fire alive. Before you go, let's keep the conversation going. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think is the most important factor in building love and connection? I'd love to hear your perspective. And if you're new here, don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a deep dive into relationships, psychology, and personal growth. Let's navigate life and love together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.